Bond. The bond, which is formed by mutual sharing of electrons in between the same or the different atom, is called covalent bond. Example: formation of H2 molecule. Classification of covalent bond on the basis of bond order. First one, single bond. The bond which is formed by sharing of only one electron pair in between two atoms is called single bond. The bond which is formed by axial overlapping in between two orbitals. The single bond is always a sigma bond and can never be a pi bond because the atom forming single bond prefer to form a stronger sigma bond rather than a weak pi bond. Example: formation of H2 molecule. Second, multiple bond. The bond which is formed by sharing of two or more electron pair in between two atoms is called multiple bond. It may be double or triple bond. Double bond. The bond which is formed by sharing of two electron pair in between two atoms is called double bond. It contains one sigma and one pi bond. Example: structure of ethene. Triple bond. The bond which is formed by sharing of three electron pair in between two atoms called triple bond. It contains one sigma and two pi bonds. That is, a multiple bond always contain one sigma and two pi bond. That is, a multiple bond always contain one sigma bond and remaining other will be pi bond. Structure of ethine. Example: localized and delocalized covalent bond. Localized bond. Localized bonds are those bonds in which the electron pair do not move from their position. The sigma bond will be localized if it is not involved in hyperconjugation. Similarly, the pi bond will be localized if there is not in conjugation with other multiple bond or with heteroatom having positive charge, negative charge, or electron non-bonded electrons present in p orbital. Delocalized covalent bond. The ability of pi electron to participate in more than one bond formation is known as delocalization of electrons. Such bond formed may change their position with another. Such bonds are called delocalized bond. The delocalization of electron always result in strongly bonded stable molecules. Following types of molecule may have delocalized bond. A. Molecule having double or triple bond in conjugation. When double or triple bond are present in conjugation in a molecule, then delocalization take place. For example, the pi bond in 1,3-butadiene are localized to give the following structures. B. Molecule having double or triple bond in conjugation with p orbital of an adjacent atom. When double or triple bond are present in conjugation with non-bonded electrons present in p orbital of a heteroatom, delocalization take place. For example, hyperconjugation, no bond resonance, to be discussed later. Consequences of delocalization. Delocalization always decreases the energy of system and thus increase the stability. Type of double bond. Localized double bond, delocalized double bond. The double bond which is not in conjugation with other multiple bond, lone pair, electron, etc. is called localized double bond. The double bond which is in conjugation with other multiple bond, lone pair, electrons, etc. is called delocalized double bond. Second, it does not causes movement of pi electrons. Third, it does not result in decrease in the energy of the system. It does not result in the change in the bond length between atoms. Delocalized double bond. The double bond which is in conjugation with other multiple bond, lone pair, electron, etc. is called delocalized double bond. Example: it causes movement of pi electrons. It results in the decrease in the energy of the system and thus increases the stability of the system. It results in the change in the bond length between atoms involved in conjugation. Next topic: conjugation. The presence of lone pairs, positive or negative charge, multiple bond at alternate position with respect to a double bond in a cyclic or acyclic system is called conjugation. Type of conjugation. First way, acyclic conjugation, cyclic conjugation. Acyclic conjugation. The presence of lone pair negative positive charge multiple bond at alternate position with respect to a double bond in a cyclic system is called acyclic conjugation. Examples are given. It causes movement of pi electron to a small extent. It results in the decrease in the energy of system to a small extent. Cyclic conjugation. The presence of lone pairs, positive or negative charge multiple bond at alternate position with respect to a double bond in a cyclic system is called cyclic conjugation. It causes movement of pi electron to a large extent. It results in the decrease in the energy of the system to a large extent. Type of conjugation. Second way, linear conjugation. The conjugation in which all the double bonds of a conjugated system lie along a single continuous path is called linear conjugation. The linear conjugated system has the higher resonance energy than the corresponding cross conjugation system. The conjugation in which all the double bonds of a conjugated system do not lie along a single continuous path but contain a branched conjugation system is called conjugation, that is cross conjugation. The crossed conjugation system has a lower resonance energy than the corresponding linearly conjugated system. Intermolecular forces. The attractive or repulsive forces in between the atoms or molecules are called intermolecular forces. This term does not include the electrostatic force that exists in between the two oppositively charged ions. Example, ionic bond and metallic bond. This term also does not include the force that hold the atom of a molecule together, that is covalent bond and coordinative bond, and the ion dipole attraction. The interactive internuclear forces are called van der Waals forces. Type of van der Waals forces. Dispersion forces. The weak induced dipole attraction in between the isolated atoms is called dispersion forces. This forces of attraction was first proposed by the German physicist Fritz London, so it is also called London forces. These attractive forces are inversely proportional to the sixth power of the distance in between the two interacting particles. They act only at shorter distance. It is very weak bond and it can exist in between every molecule. This van der Waals attraction depend upon the size, that is surface area of the atom, that is more the surface area, more will the magnitude of the van der Waals forces and vice versa. Example, among the group 18 elements, the magnitude of van der Waals forces of attraction goes on increasing on moving down the group. The weak forces which exist in between the O2, N2, CO2, etc. are weak van der Waals forces. Factor affecting van der Waals interaction: size and shape of the molecule. Van der Waals forces are short-range attractive forces operating in non-polar molecules. These forces depend upon the surface area of the molecule. Within the increase of the surface area of the molecular mass, the magnitude of these attractive forces increases. The effect of size can be seen in the boiling point of a few alkanes given below. Thus, boiling point increases with increases in molecular masses of the alkanes. It also increases with increase in surface area of the molecule. For example, boiling point of N-butane is higher than isobutane due to greater surface area. Temperature and pressure conditions. The magnitude of van der Waals interactions increases at low temperature and high pressure. With the decrease in temperature, the entropy randomness of molecule decreases and they become more ordered and suitable for induced dipole. With the increase of pressure, the volume decreases and the number of molecules per unit volume increases. Thus, the magnitude of van der Waals interactions increases. Atomic number. Van der Waals interaction increases with increases in atomic number of atoms. This is due to increase in size as well as number of electrons in an atom. Dipole induced dipole forces. Dipole induced dipole forces. The forces which act in between the molecules having permanent dipole and the molecule having no dipole are called dipole induced dipole forces. The molecule having permanent dipole induces the dipole in the other molecule. The attraction is stronger than the London forces. These attractive forces are inversely proportional to the sixth power of the distance in between the two interacting particles. Causes of solubility of noble gases in water. The H2O molecule causes the distortion of symmetrical valence electron cloud of normal gases, and thus the water molecules induces the dipole in the noble gases. So dipole induced dipole interaction take place in between the noble gases and the water molecules, which result in the solubility of the noble gases in the water. Dipole forces. The forces which act in between the molecule having permanent dipoles are called dipole forces, or also Kisome forces. This attraction is stronger than the London forces but weaker than ion-ion interaction because only partial charges are involved. These attractive forces are inversely proportional to the third power of the distance in between the two interacting particles. Hydrogen bond. The weak electrostatic force of attraction in between the H atom and the electronegative atom is called H bond. The H bond is represented by the dotted lines, that is dot dot dot. It has much less strength than covalent bond and is essentially the result of electrostatic interaction, delocalization effect and dispersion effect. The hydrogen bond energy is in the range 3 to 10 calorie mole inverse as compared to the covalent bond, that is 50 to 100 calorie mole inverse. Example: H bonding in between the HF molecules. Example: H bonding in between the H2O molecules. Condition for H bond formation: the molecule must have H atom. The H atom must be attached with more electronegative element, because more the electronegativity of the atom, more will be the separation of the charges in between the H atom and the electronegativity atom. Thus more will be the attraction in between the slightly positive charge H atom and slightly negative charge electronegativity atom. Hence stronger will be the H bond. Example: the H bond in between HF molecules is stronger than in between the HCl molecule because F is more electronegative than Cl atom. Type of H bond: intermolecular H bond. Inter means in between. The H bond which is formed in between the same or the different molecule is called intermolecular H bond. Example: H bonding in between the HF molecules and H bonding in between the H2O molecules. Second, intramolecular H bonding. Intra means within. The H bond which is formed within same molecule is called intramolecular H bond. Example: H bonding in between the COOH and OH group present in the same molecule, that is in salicylic acid. Host gas addition compounds. The compound in which gas molecules fit in the space available within the crystal lattice of the host molecule by weak van der Waals forces of attraction are called host gas addition compound. The space available within the crystal lattice of host molecule is either in form of long tunnels or channel or in form of a cage. The certain host molecules such as urea, thiourea, hydroquinone, etc. have definite crystal shapes. They decompose at the melting point of the host compound, so they are not useful as derivatives. Type of host addition compounds. The host guest addition compound are of following types. First one, inclusion compounds. The compound in which the host guest molecule fit in the long tunnel or channel present within the crystal lattice of host molecule by weak van der Waals forces of attraction are called inclusion compounds. Electron displacement in a covalent bond. During the study of the organic reactions, it is observed that the attacking reagents generally possesses either positive or negative charge. Therefore, the substrate must contain a positively charged center for the attack. It has been found that the electron displacement in a covalent bond give rises to centers with different electron density for the attack of a reagent. The effect produced as a result of such displacement have special significance in understanding reaction mechanism. Such effects are: first one is inductive effect, second one is electromeric effect, third one is mesomeric or resonance effect, fourth one is hyperconjugation. Inductive effect, the effect in which the permanent dispersal displacement of sigma electrons take place either toward the electron withdrawing group or away from the electron releasing group along the carbon atom chain is called inductive effect. Sometimes inductive effect is also called transmission effect or T effect. Characteristics of the inductive effect. This effect is permanent effect, that is, the sigma electrons are permanently displaced along the carbon atom chain either toward the electron withdrawing group or away from the electron releasing group present at one end of the chain. The influence of the inductive effect decreases away from the group present at one end of the carbon atom chain. That is, the inductive effect is most powerful only at the carbon to which the heteroatom is connected directly and dies off quickly as the distance of the carbon from the heteroatom increases. In fact, inductive effect is also negligible beyond two carbon atoms from the heteroatom. It is written by capital I. It is shown by psi partial sign. This type of electron displacements occur along a saturated chain of carbon atom due to the presence of polar covalent bond. This effect cannot be reversed as it depends upon only the nature of group. In this effect, the bond pair shifts slightly more toward the electronegative element without leaving its own orbitals. Type of inductive effect. It is of two types, and these are positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Positive inductive effect, the effect in which the dispersal of sigma electron take place away from the electron releasing group along the carbon atom chain, is called plus I effect or inductive effect. The plus I effect group increases the dispersal of positive charges but decreases the dispersal of negative charges. Examples: all alkyl group. Negative inductive effect, the effect in which the dispersal of sigma electron take place toward the electron withdrawing group along the carbon atom chain is called minus I effect. The minus I effect decreases the dispersal of positive charges but increases the dispersal of negative charges. Example: SO3H, COOH, COOR, CONH2, CN, Cl, Br, IOH, NO2, NH2, CHO, COR, etc. That is, all the groups other than the alkyl groups. Some common groups which can be cause negative or positive inductive effect are given below in order of their decreasing effect. Electron withdrawing group: NR3 greater than NH3 greater than NO2 greater than SO3H greater than CN greater than COOH greater than F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I greater than COOR greater than COCl greater than COR greater than OH greater than SH. Electron repelling groups plus I effect. Note: the negative charge is more stable when it is present on the more electronegative atom than present on the less electronegative atom. Similarly, the positive charge is more stable when it is present on the less electronegative atom than present on the more electronegative atom. Application of the inductive effect. This effect explains the ionic or polar character of non-polar compound. Some percentage of ionic character is always associated with covalent compound. It explains the high value of dipole moment of organic compound containing some heteroatom. This effect is used to explain the stability among the different carbonium ions. The stability order among the different carbonium ion is tertiary carbonium ion greater than secondary carbonium ion greater than primary carbonium ion. Field effect. The effect which does not operate through bond but occur directly through space or solvent molecules is called field effect. The field effect depends upon the geometry of the molecule. Example: among isomers first and second, acidity of the two acids should be the same because the number of intervening bond and the inductive effect of the chlorine atom on the position of the electrons in the COOH group should be the same. But the acidity of two acids is different due to the field effect, which is different for the two isomers. In isomer 1, the two chlorine atoms being closer to the COOH group exert greater field effect as compared to that in isomer 2. So isomer 2 is stronger acid than isomer 1. This is supported by their pKa values. Difference between inductive effect and field effect. Inductive effect. The effect which operates through sigma bond and not through space or solvent molecule is called inductive effect. The inductive effect do not depend upon the geometry of the molecules but depend upon the nature of bonds. Field effect. The effect which does not operate through bond but occurs directly through space or solvent molecules is called field effect. The field effect depend upon the geometry of the molecule and do not depend upon the nature of bonds.